Good morning. Today's Thursday, April 9th, and today you have an IXL about word problems, specifically about perimeter. So it's CLD, and I wanted to show you guys how to do this, how to think about it. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil so you can draw this out. Let me show you. So this example says each side of a square sticky note is 5 centimeters long. What is the sticky note's perimeter? Okay, important words to know. It's a square sticky note. Oops. It's a square sticky note. And they want to know the perimeter. So if I'm you, I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to draw a sticky note the best I can. It's a square, so all of my sides are going to be even for the most part. And each of my sides is how many centimeters long? It's going to be 5 centimeters long, each of my sides. So this side's 5, and this side is 5, all the way around, because it's a square, right? 5 and 5. If you're looking for the perimeter of a shape, you want the length all the way around. So that's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And you guys know that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is the same thing as 5 times 4. And you know your math facts. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So the perimeter of this shape is going to be 20 centimeters. So let me go back to the IXL lesson. It's 20 centimeters. You're going to have to draw this on a piece of paper. Please don't try to do it in your head. It gets harder. Here is another problem. Let me pull it over here. Okay, the next problem says a rectangular front porch is 20 feet long and 12 feet wide. So the first thing I'm going to do if I'm you guys is I'm going to draw a rectangle. It says a rectangular front porch, so I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, on my piece of paper, I'm going to draw a rectangle. And I know that this rectangle, oops, go back. I know that this rectangle is 12 feet wide. So this side over here is 12. And this side over here, if this side is 12, then I know this side is going to be 12. And it's 20 feet long. So up here, it's going to be 20 feet long and 20. And if this side's 20 feet, then this side's 20 feet. So if I want to find the perimeter, I need to add all these sides up. So 20 plus 20. Oops. It's hard to draw. Plus 12 plus 12. And you're going to add all these things, all these numbers together. So 20 plus 20, you know, is 40. And 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So 40 plus 24, mental math, I'm going to say it's 64. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to type in 64 feet and see if I'm right. Good. So you're going to have to read these problems and draw it out. A square plastic tarp has sides that are 4 meters long. What is a tarp's perimeter? If I know it's a square, I know that each of the sides is 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 times 4 is what? So you're going to need to draw these out, guys. Email me if you have any questions. Good luck. You can do it.